Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In the previous session, we have successfully created the categories page and also the add category page also we have did it. Now it's time for us to submit the data. Whatever the add category we are submitting, we need to submit the data into the add category and we need to show it in the category details here. So let's try to show it. So let's go to the category / add. In this one we need to add the submit the category. For doing this one we know what to do. We already discussed in the product controller how to do it. So let's go on to the routes first, or otherwise in the form. Let's open this add category page form, and in this form what we are trying to do, we are trying to submit a post request. So method is equal to post, so we need to submit the post request, and for this one also we need to give the name is equal to description. So this name is there, and for this one name title and name description, and method is equal to post. So with these names the request body will be sent. So in the category routes here I can have this one /add, but this one is a post request, and here I will be having post add category page. So let's go on to this one in the category controller, and here I will be adding exports.post category page is equal to request comma response, and here we'll be having a constant views data, or we don't have any views data. Why? Because we'll redirect back, right? So here we'll be having constant title is equal to request.body.title. We'll get the title and we'll get the description. Request.body.description, we'll get the description, and now we need to submit this title and description to the category base. So category, so we have two methods we know, using build and save and also using the create method. So here let's import the category model. Constant category is equal to require of, so you will be having models / category model. Oh sorry, not this one, category model. Fine. Now let's go here, category dot create. We will be using this create, and here I can pass the title and also the description also, not a problem. So we will get a response that then it has been submitted, and here I can do the res.redirect of / categories. That's it, right? So we will be having a dot catch, and we will be getting an error, and I can do console.log of error. So I can do the console.log of error. What is the error we are getting? That's it. So we completed this post add category page. Now if I try to submit this post add category page, here I am trying to submit something, and I click on the add category. Some problem came, I think maybe. Okay, so here I think in the category routes this one should be, we need to add it. Now let's try to go here and refresh it. Oh, what happened? We're getting again another error. Let's try to see here. Post cat category page, I have added it, right? Post add category page, I think starting the node.js. Let's see whether you are able to get it or not. Still it is loading. I think maybe, yeah, now it's, I got it. Now I am trying to add some random category. So we added this random category, we redirected back to the category details. So that means we are successfully able to add the category. If I try to refresh this page, see here we are able to see the category details that has been added into the database. Now we got the category added. Now let's try to show the category details also. So in the category controller, in the get category page, so this is our get category page home page, right? And here I can write category dot findAll. So we'll do the pagination thing also afterwards, and dot then categories. So I'm getting a categories, and I can pass these all the things into this one, and here I can send these all categories also. So let's go to this categories page, and in this categories page create a table. So I will try to create a table, view class dot table. I will be having, okay, so here I will be having table dot, oh, what is this one? Save, it's coming. I don't know. 1 second, let's wait. So here I am doing cat table dot table. So in this one we'll be having a t head, and here I will be showing tr, and in this one th we'll be having a title and we'll be having a description. So let's try to make it as a simple thing. And in this one we'll be having t body. I'm writing t body, and here I need to loop it for let category of categories. I'm doing this one, so open this one and here it close it, and here also you can close this one also, and here I will be having tr td. You can show category dot title, and another one is category dot description. That's it. So we are able to show these details simple, the category and this one all. So let's try to see the output, how we can get it. If I try to go here, if I try to refresh this page, so we are able to see the first category. Now let's try to add a button here also. I am adding in this one div. I can have class is equal to text hyphen n, and in this one I will be having ahref add category. So using this add category, and I can have class is equal to btn hyphen primary, and here we'll be having slash category slash add. Now if I go to the output and if I try to see it, so we are able to see add category. If I click here, I'm able to add it. So Leela category, something like this I'll add, and here also some sample description. If I click on this one, so we are able to see the category had been added. And in the database also, if you try to see, we are able to see this database also, we are able to get added in this one. So now we have did this one showing the category details. Where is that one gone? Yeah, is this one? Yeah, so showing this category details, adding a category and showing this category. I will not do this edit and delete. If you want, you can also do it. Why? Because we already have did for the product. In the same scenario, we can do it for the edit and delete also. It's not an issue. Now our main agenda is, so we have created a category. Somehow we need to create an association with this product. Okay, somehow we need to create an association with this product so that we can able to see the products that belongs to a particular category. So that is the main thing. So here I am able to need to see the category which doesn't belongs to. So this is what we'll try to do it in the next session. So we'll try to add the associations. So how the product and categories are related to each other, we'll try to do it in the next session. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.